Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Islamic Insight. Islam is one of the world's fastest growing religion, yet it's also one of the misunderstood. Many people form opinions about Islam based on what they hear in the media without ever learning what Islam truly teaches. So today we are going to clear up the top 10 misconceptions about Islam and uncover the truth behind them. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe to Islamic Insights for more authentic Islamic knowledge. Number 10, Muslims are all Arabs. Many people think Islam is only for Arabs, but in really only about 20% of Muslims are Arabs. The largest Muslims population are actually in countries like Indonesia, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. Islam is global faith that unite people of every race, language and culture. Number 9, Islam opposes science. Another common myth is that Islam is against science. In fact, history shows the opposite. Muslim scholars made huge contribution to medicine, astronomy, mathematics and more. Figures like Ibn Sina and Al-Khwarizmi laid the foundations for modern science. The Quran itself encourages reflection, knowledge and discovery. Number 8, Muslims don't believe in Jesus. Many people surprised to learn that Muslims do believe in Jesus, our Prophet Isa, peace be upon him. We believe that he was a great prophet, born miraculously without a father, and that he performed miracles by Allah's permission. However, Muslims do not believe he is divine or the Son of God. We worship Allah alone. Number 7, Islam spread by sword. One of the oldest myths is Islam was forced upon people by sword. The truth is, Islam spread mainly through trade, practice, justice, good character, and dawah. In fact, the Quran says, there is no compulsion in religion. Countries like Indonesia, the largest Muslim country, accepted Islam through peaceful merchants, not war. Number 6, women are oppressed in Islam. Many believe Islam takes away women's rights, but Islam actually gave women rights long before many other societies. Women were granted rights to own property, receive inheritance, gain education, and be respected as equal human beings. Oppression of women comes from culture or misuse of religion, not from Islam itself. Number 5, Shariah law is barbaric. Another misconception is about Sharia. Many think it is harsh or violent, but the reality is that Sharia is a system of ethics, justice, and guidance. Its main purpose is to protect people's lives, property, family, and faith. It's about mercy, fairness, and living a moral life. Number 4, Jihad means holy war. When most people hear jihad, they think of violence. But in Islam, jihad simply means striving and struggling in the way of Allah. This would mean struggling against our own bad habits, helping our families, serving our communities, or standing up for justice. The greatest jihad is the struggle within ourselves. Number 3, Islam promotes violence. Sadly, this is one of the most common misconceptions, often spread by negative media, but the word Islam itself comes from salam, which means peace. The Quran calls Muslims to live in peace with others, to show kindness, and to avoid injustice. The actions of a few do not represent the teaching of 2 billion Muslims. Number 2, Muslims worship Muhammad, peace be upon him. Some people mistakenly think Muslims worship Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The truth is, Muslims respect and love him deeply as the final messenger, but we worship only Allah. Worshipping anyone besides Allah is strictly forbidden in Islam. Number 1, Muslims cannot coexist with others. Finally, many people think Muslims cannot live peacefully with people of other faiths, but history shows otherwise. Under Muslim rule, Jews, Christians, and others often lived side by side with full rights and safety. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself established treaties and lived peacefully with non Muslims. Islam teaches tolerance, justice, and respect for all people. So, as we have seen, most misconceptions about Islam come from misinformation or stereotypes. In reality, Islam is built on peace, justice, and compassion. Which of these misconceptions have you heard the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's spread the truth together. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islamic Insights for more authentic knowledge of Islam. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.